assessment on the river. You guys full stop or are you just splash and go?
We're splashing. We're doing a little step taxi. Actually, we're coming off step now.
Insight, we're just above you, 1 o'clock high.
You guys based at good speed?
Yeah, we got amphib.
Oh, we got to link up.
Where are you? Oh, sorry, we're not based out of Newport. Sorry about that.
Oh, right on. Still, that'd be cool.
Yeah, I might come back and splash next to you if you don't mind.
Yeah, definitely. That'd be great.
You're up.
Current traffic, Pony is on the left now in runway 33.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good to be trying to get them overhead. We'll be watching the river to the south. Going around on Robinson traffic, yellow champ is 2 to the northwest, going to be entering in midfield, left downwind runway 02, Robinson. Okay, traffic, 976, the Foxtrot is on the left crosswind, 433, okay, traffic. So that's looking at him. Holy shit. Careful. We're so fast. We'll just be splash and go.